Greetings, folks. Greetings, folks. Here we are at trackside on the Paducah and Louisville Railway. We've got a northbound train approaching Richland, Kentucky, just down the hill from my house, being led by Evansville Western Railway engine 4515, and it's headed for Warrior Coal Mine, where it'll pick up another load of coal and head back south. We'll keep quiet so you can listen to the sounds of the train. Greetings, folks. Nope, I didn't, Ronnie. Well, folks, there you go. Northbound Evansville Western leading a Paducah and Louisville Railway coal train headed for Warrior Coal Mine. I'll update the description here in a little while. I heard him coming, and I actually was headed into town, and I turned around and came back here. But anyway, I hope you have a blessed day, and if you're out trackside, as always, stay safe.